After 60, many men notice their body starts to change. Less energy, slower recovery, and yes, weaker erections. But what if I told you that just 3 vitamins could make a real difference? Backed by science. Age is not a sentence, especially when it comes to your manhood. Let's get straight to the point. Here are 3 essential vitamins that play a major role in restoring and supporting erections after 60. Vitamin D, the sunshine hormone. Over 40% of men over 60 are deficient in vitamin D. It's crucial not just for bones and immunity, but also for testosterone production, the key male hormone. Adding vitamin D to your daily routine could be your first step toward revitalizing your sex life. Vitamin B3, niacin, boosts blood flow. An erection is all about blood flow. Niacin helps dilate blood vessels, increasing circulation to the penis. Clinical studies show that regular B3 intake can lead to real improvements for men struggling with erectile dysfunction. Vitamin E, the antioxidant of male vitality. Free radicals damage vessels and tissues. Vitamin E is your shield. It helps maintain flexible arteries, improves microcirculation, and even enhances sperm quality. And yes, it boosts overall energy and vitality. So there you have it. Vitamins D, B3, and E, 3 simple nutrients that can make a big difference. They're not magic pills, but when combined with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper sleep, they become a powerful tool for staying strong and vital. Don't ignore the signs your body is sending you. Taking care of yourself starts with small, smart steps. Subscribe for more real health advice for men over 60. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new vitamins or supplements. Just 3 vitamins, D, B3, and E, could be the key to better performance after 60. Take control of your health starting today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical health tips for men like you.